Hi guys, how you all doing? Hope all is well. About 28 degrees out there, and I'm just about to share with you some a pancake recipe and method. So now I can't find my selfie stick anywhere. You know, I'm having my room decorated. Obviously, I'll put it somewhere, and I can't find it. So I've got it up on. So I've got the camera phone up on the shelf. It's a Samsung Galaxy A71. Anyway. I'm going to share with you some nice fluffy American pancakes, yeah? And just to show what you need 2 eggs, buttermilk, so is that clear? Yeah, buttermilk, bicarbonated soda and some baking powder, vanilla essence optional. It's here, and 2 of these nice ripe bananas. I've left the other one down there, but you need 2. And what you do is you just get a cup like this, you fill it up halfway with your flour and your buttermilk, and you chop up your bananas, you whisk them in. And if it's too thick, just add a bit more buttermilk, something like that. And if you notice, there's no sugar in it. Yeah, there's no sugar in it because the maple syrup. Yeah, put maple syrup on it. Put this. Where's it gone? It's in this other cupboard. Yeah, anything from Tesco's, the old Tesco's. And here's a mixture right here. Okay. Now it's left over from last night. So I've just given it a little stir. You could put, I mean, if you've got sweet teeth, you know, just a touch of sugar, but not too much. So, nice hot pan I've got going. Give it a nice little stir, I've got to mention that everything, you just whisk up your banana, then you add in all your dry ingredients, yeah, and just whisk it around until you get up with a little consistency such as this. Okay, so in it goes. Just work it around. I'm sorry it's so far away, okay? Just work it around. Actually got quite a hot pan going. And yes, I did wash my hands. So whilst that's bubbling away, just chop up nearly a full banana. And I'm doing this for my mum. I'm just getting her tray ready. Well, my dogs, I'm missing my doggies. Anyway, going back to the details of this video. I'm just letting that build up. Yep, here we go. You can just see all the bubbles are popping through. Then that is the time to turn it over. Okay, that's the time to turn it over. So we'll do that right now. Oh dear, that's gone wrong. It shouldn't be like that, should it? So let's start. I'll get rid of that and put another mixture in. Oh dear. I don't know. Right. It was absolutely fine yesterday. I don't know what happened there. Oh, I know. I know. How embarrassing. Never mind. Right. Let's do it again. Straight in the middle, like so. And it's just bubbling away. It hasn't come up, and there's no bubbles that have come up just yet. I hope this is going to be the right way, the right one for my mum. I'm doing this especially for my mum. Use a plastic one. Oh, that's a bit better. It's a bit better. It's quite thick anyway. It's going to turn out to be quite thick. I'm slightly iffy about it, but I think I'll be okay to show. I hope. Keep our fingers crossed, or in my case, my hands together. But do comment down below on how you like to make your butter pancakes, or you know, your American pancakes. They're starting to smoke as well. Okay, we can turn that over. So, voila, look, see, look at that. Look at that. Not bad, not brilliant, not good, not perfectly round like I was hoping it to be, but I think my mum's going to like it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Enjoy. Please be careful in this heat, by the way, especially your animals. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Goodbye.